Welcome to Options Center. It is Tuesday morning, 5/11/21. Hope everybody had a wonderful night after that devastating day yesterday. It was really only 1%, but it seems so much more with the NASDAQ down about 2.5%. But before we get into the information here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, hit the subscribe, and also join us on the Option Guys Discord. It's a free Discord. We communicate, trade ideas, and I should have listened to some of those other guys yesterday because I was still playing to the upside. We were bullish until proven otherwise, and I think we're proven. So we're gonna get a reversal today, and let's check it out. So we have ES on multiple time frames, and we'll go over and check out a couple other examples. And I think we're just gonna play the indices. When we're in a correction like this, everything moves together in correlation. So okay. Yes, on the monthly time frame, everything is bullish. We're getting a red candle in there. We have a little bit of divergence, a lot of it of divergence on the RSI. So we're going to be cautious in the long run, getting near the upper edge of a move. So we have now an inside candle, a little bit of a red doji. Let's move on to the weekly. All right, we have a lot of month left, so we're going to move on from there. I was playing around with the retracements, but we have the weekly chart. We're finally getting a big red candle. We've had so many green candles in a row. We have the 8 MA underneath us. We have a trend line. We're right at it. We're starting to curl on the MACD, but we haven't crossed yet, and we're coming out of a big divergence in the RSI as well from the 2018 top there all the way to the corona and till now. Okay, so we got to be careful. We might be getting real close to a major top. Right now we're going to play it as if we're just having a a pullback in order to move higher, which is the case even if it was a major top. But we've had this huge move here. Let's take it week by week, day by day to check this out. But we have some support down here at the 4,000 level. If we really start to get moving, and that coincides with the 20 week if we lose this 8 week here. So let's move down to the daily. Daily trend is our friend. Get in a little closer here, and this may be a possible one. I don't have this marked here, so this is a big 1, 2, and then a 1, 2. And the question is this 3 over? Okay, now if it is, then we're just looking for a slight pullback. Let's put a retracement on here. So at minimum, we're looking for a wave 4. All right, about right here. So that'd bring us to the 4088 area, that wave 4 that we've been really looking for. But if we just had a shallow wave 4 in here, and this happens to be the top of wave 5 to of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we're looking at a bigger wave 3, and we'd move this right about there. And so now our 38.2 would coincide with a 40-40. So not a huge difference. That one looks a little bit more promising because we're at the 50 moving day average at that point. But that's a 50 point difference. That's not huge. We'll just be getting cautious down at these areas, and those are the minimums. If this is a wave 4, those are the minimum wave moves down. We can move down to the 61.8 as well. If we feel like this was such a shallow move there or shallow move there. I know that's a big move, but so just keep in mind the different levels that we have: 40, 40, and then we have an area to bounce on if prior highs here at the 4,000 area. And then worst comes to worst, we have the 100-day moving average coinciding with the 61.8 3,900 area. Okay, so I know a lot of areas are coming out, but with these wave counts that we go through every single day. So hit the notification button if you want to receive these videos every single day and even on the weekend, just so we can continue to monitor the wave count as we move in this correction. All right, let's go down to the 65-minute chart. All right, so we had that pretty much small move yesterday. It felt so small, but the Nasdaq was huge. But looks like we have a 5-wave count in here now. If this is in it, or if we have to come down to the support today during the market open, then we're looking for a correction to the upside, and that then we'll be looking for an A, B, C correction to the upside before we continue another 5-wave down. All right, and you know what? I was real bullish here, you guys. I should have. We had this 1, 2, and then 3, and I let my positions ride because I felt like we're gonna have a shallow wave 4 because of this sharper move down for a wave 2, and somehow we get a 5 count in here, or just a ABC, and you know, that's a bull trap. That's a bull trap. Got in there and got dragged down. A lot of my positions just got wrecked. So we're going to recover today on those, get some good plays. But what we're going to do is we're going to play NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is a lot more volatile. We come down to the bottom of a channel. We had an A, larger wave A, B, C correction. And in this last, we already had our 5-wave down in there. So what's happening here? We had a B, C, A, B, C up, and an A, B, C down. So this move is over at this point, and I'm looking for a correction at the open. We'll get into TQQQ in order to play this A, B, C correction up, and then we're looking for more more room to the downside to continue this correction down. All right, so let's just show just a little bit. Let's just go over to the VIX futures. And we'll be playing the VIX as well. We're already in VIX calls at this point. We'll take those off. At the bell, we had a wave 1 up. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It got distorted from the rollover. 4, and then 5. That would be, so that's wave 1. And then an ABC correction down to wave 2. We mentioned this in the weekend video that this was a possible 1-2 setup, and a bigger wave 3. So now that we're done with the correction, we had yesterday a big move 1 up, and I think we're going to go to wave 2 down. That would give us a 1-2, 1-2 setup, and you know that's huge. So when we come down to the 61.8 possible target, then we'll jump back into VXX for a larger wave up, and we'll go from there. All right, so that's it, you guys. We'll be playing the VXX when we get the correction upward on the all the indices, and we'll play TQQQ, QQQQQQ to the upside for this correction in the meantime. All right, so thanks for joining us here. Good luck trading today, guys. Hit us up in the Discord. We will be there having a good time. All right.